Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, power brakes, braking assist, battery saver, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display, cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.